Hello everyone, I'm going to show you how you can put your own character or other characters into your game, yeah? If you want your own character, this is a simple method. You click on play, go into your workspace, you'll see your character, click on copy, then if you close the game, go into workspace, paste into, you'll have your own character inside of here, yeah? But another method is using a plugin. So go into your toolbox, go into plugins, and then just search player, yeah? Then you will see here player avatar inserter by shaky something, yeah? Just click on this and install, yeah? And once that's installed, go into plugins, you'll see a button like this, character inserter. When you click on this, you can just use any avatar, yeah? I'm gonna do Lolleries or something, yeah? I can use R6, yeah? Just like this. I can even just do myself, which is dev underscore Flowey. And then if I do R15, it's gonna be in R15, you see. If you close this, go into your select, you will see you will have your characters inside of your game that you want, yeah? This is how you can use it. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. It's a quick one, and I will see you in the next one.